Welcome to our journey through the wild, where we explore some of the rarest animals and their unique sounds. Today we will be focusing on a special group of performers, those whose melodies are rarely heard, whose calls echo from the brink of existence. Prepare to be captivated by the unusual, the unexpected, the truly remarkable sounds of some of the world's most elusive creatures. Let us begin our exploration. The dense rainforests of Madagascar hold many secrets, and amongst the most fascinating of its inhabitants is the aye-aye. This nocturnal lemur is a creature of peculiar appearance, with its large, staring eyes, bat-like ears, and an exceptionally long middle finger. The aye-aye possesses an extraordinary sense of hearing, so acute that it can detect the movement of grubs hidden deep within the wood of trees. Using its powerful teeth, it gnaws into the bark, creating a small opening. Then its long, skeletal middle finger comes into play, tapping against the wood, listening intently for the slightest movement. With surgical precision, the aye-aye extracts the grub, a vital source of protein in its rainforest home. Protecting the remaining forests and raising awareness about the plight of the aye-aye is crucial if we are to ensure that its haunting tap continues to echo through the Madagascar night. Deep in the forests of New Zealand, a most peculiar sound reverberates through the night. This is the call of the kakapo, a critically endangered flightless parrot found only in this corner of the world. The kakapo is a remarkable bird, a large, rotund parrot with moss-green plumage that provides excellent camouflage in the undergrowth. Under the cover of darkness, the male kakapo performs its extraordinary mating ritual. He selects a prominent location and begins his booming serenade, produced by inflating a large thoracic air sac. This booming call is a beacon to females, advertising the male's presence and hopefully his desirability. Males will call for hours on end, night after night, for months at a time, in the hope of attracting a mate. Their dedication is remarkable, and it is this unwavering commitment to their ancient rituals that gives hope for the future of this critically endangered species. The Annamite Mountains, a rugged and biodiverse region that straddles the border of Laos and Vietnam, are home to a creature so elusive that it has been dubbed the Asian unicorn. The saola, a large forest-dwelling bovine with striking black and white markings, was only discovered by science in 1992. Despite its size, the saola is a master of camouflage, melting seamlessly into the dense foliage of its rainforest home. Scientists believe that they communicate with each other using soft, whistle-like calls, often described as sounding like a gentle whoo. Researchers are using acoustic monitoring techniques to capture these rare vocalizations, which will be invaluable in understanding the saola's behavior and distribution. In the murky depths of the northern Gulf of California lives a creature so rare, so critically endangered, that it is teetering on the very edge of extinction. The vaquita, the smallest cetacean in the world, is a porpoise with a distinctive, almost panda-like face. The vaquita navigates its world through echolocation, emitting a series of high-pitched clicks that bounce off objects in the water, creating a sound map of its surroundings. These clicks are used for a variety of purposes, from navigating the murky waters to locating prey, primarily fish and squid. They also use their echolocation clicks to communicate with each other, maintaining contact in the depths. Sadly, the vaquita's sophisticated sonar system is no match for the threat posed by gill nets, fishing gear used to catch shrimp and other fish. Despite conservation efforts, the vaquita population continues to plummet, their clicks becoming a tragic echo of a species on the brink. Across the forests and grasslands of Africa and Asia roams a creature that resembles a walking pine cone. The pangolin, with its overlapping scales made of keratin, is the only mammal in the world to possess this unique armor. When threatened, it will curl up into a tight, impenetrable ball, its scales acting as a near-impregnable shield. If further provoked, the pangolin will release a foul-smelling acid from glands near its tail, a potent deterrent to most predators. Along with these defensive mechanisms, the pangolin will also make a variety of sounds, including hissing and rustling, to ward off potential attackers. Sadly, the pangolin's remarkable defenses are no match for the greatest threat it faces: humans. On a handful of islands off the coast of Western Australia lives an animal so charming, so seemingly carefree, that it has earned the title of the happiest animal on Earth. The quokka, a small marsupial related to the kangaroo and wallaby, is known for its endearing smile and its apparent lack of fear of humans. Quokkas are highly social animals, living in colonies of up to 100 individuals. They communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, the most distinctive of which is a high-pitched chuckling sound. However, despite their cheerful disposition, quokkas face a number of threats, including habitat loss, predation by feral cats and foxes, and the impact of human activities. Deep in the dense rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo lives a creature so elusive, so rarely seen, that it was once thought to be a mythical beast. The okapi, sometimes referred to as the forest giraffe or the zebra giraffe, is a truly remarkable animal with its striking reddish-brown coat, striped legs and long, prehensile tongue. Despite its large size, the okapi is a master of camouflage, blending seamlessly into the dappled light of the rainforest understory. While okapis do produce vocalizations including soft coughs, whistles and bleats, these are used sparingly. Instead, they rely heavily on infrasonic communication, emitting low-frequency calls that are below the range of human hearing. The okapi's reliance on infrasound adds another layer of mystery to this already enigmatic creature, highlighting the incredible diversity of communication methods used by animals. In the ancient canals of Xochimilco, Mexico, lives a creature that seems to defy the laws of nature. The axolotl, a type of salamander with the remarkable ability to retain its larval features throughout its life, is a fascinating example of neoteny. With its feathery gills, lidless eyes, and a perpetual smile, the axolotl has captivated the imagination of scientists and the public alike. While not known for being particularly vocal, axolotls do produce occasional sounds, primarily soft squeaks and chirps. These sounds are thought to be primarily associated with stress or alarm, produced when they are handled or feel threatened. Further research into the acoustic world of the axolotl may reveal even more about the fascinating lives of these enigmatic creatures. In the heart of Madagascar's rainforests roams a predator as elusive as it is fascinating. The fossa, the island's largest carnivore, is a creature of both grace and power, with a sleek, muscular body, a long tail and retractable claws. While the fossa is a solitary hunter, it possesses a surprisingly wide range of vocalizations, some of which are eerily reminiscent of a cat's yowl. These haunting calls echo through the forest, particularly during the breeding season when males use their vocal prowess to attract mates and establish territories. The fossa's yowls are not its only vocalizations. It also produces a variety of other sounds, including hisses, growls and purrs. These sounds are used for communication in a variety of contexts, from expressing aggression to strengthening bonds between mothers and their cubs. As we continue to study the fossa, we are sure to uncover even more fascinating secrets about its behavior and its role in the complex tapestry of life in Madagascar's forests. In the murky waters of Southeast Asia's rivers, estuaries and coastal areas, a unique and charismatic dolphin species navigates its world with a symphony of clicks and whistles. The Irrawaddy dolphin, named after the mighty river it calls home in Myanmar, is easily recognizable by its rounded head, short beak and playful, acrobatic nature. Unlike most dolphins, which rely heavily on echolocation for navigation and hunting, the Irrawaddy dolphin has relatively poor eyesight and relies on a combination of echolocation and sound communication to navigate its often murky environment. Their clicks, similar to those of other toothed whales, are used to create a sound map of their surroundings, bouncing off objects and prey to reveal their location. Researchers believe that these whistles are used to maintain contact with other dolphins, particularly within their pods, which can consist of up to 6 individuals. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. We've only scratched the surface of the vast and fascinating world of animal sounds. From the eerie tap of the eye to the haunting yowl of the fossa, The unique vocalizations of these rare and endangered creatures remind us of the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Many of the animals we have featured today are facing an uncertain future due to habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. By learning more about the natural world and sharing that knowledge with others, we can all play a part in ensuring a brighter future for these remarkable animals and the ecosystems they call home.